Welcome to ARCHZ GEOMYSTIC, a journey beyond the pages of history into forgotten civilizations, vanished empires, and mysteries buried beneath time itself. We uncover what history missed or tried to erase, lost technologies, forbidden archaeology, and ancient truths hidden beneath our feet. This is where myth meets reality, and the past whispers secrets to those who listen. Like, comment, share, and subscribe, and unlock the mysteries of ARCHZ GEOMYSTIC. Imagine waking up to a sky so dark, the sun is gone, the air is choking with ash, and a winter begins that will last for years. This isn't the plot of a disaster movie. This happened. Welcome to the story of the Toba supervolcano, the cataclysm that may have brought humanity to the brink of extinction. The culprit? A sleeping giant called Mount Toba. About 72,000 years ago, in what is now Sumatra, Indonesia, Mount Toba erupted with a force 5,000 times more powerful than the Mount St. Helens eruption of 1980. Scientists call it the largest eruption in the last 2 million years, and its aftermath may have pushed early humanity to nearly wipe us off the face of the earth. Before the eruption, Mount Toba was just another massive volcano, but deep beneath it, a magma chamber the size of a small country was slowly building pressure. Then, the pressure reached a breaking point. In an instant, the Earth's crust gave way. The blast shot 2,800 cubic kilometers of volcanic material into the atmosphere. That's enough to bury the entire United States under 12 feet of ash. The ash didn't just fall nearby, it circled the globe. Temperatures dropped by 3 to 5 degrees Celsius worldwide. Crops failed. Entire ecosystems collapsed. Some scientists believe the human population dropped to as few as several thousand breeding individuals. We were an endangered species. How do we know this happened? The evidence is everywhere. In layers of volcanic ash buried across the Indian Ocean, in ice cores from Antarctica and Greenland, and in genetic data from modern humans. DNA studies suggest a genetic bottleneck, a time when humanity's numbers shrank drastically, reducing genetic diversity. Against all odds, our ancestors survived. They adapted to the cold, found new food sources, and migrated to safer regions. Some scientists believe that the hardships caused by Toba may have shaped human evolution, making us more resilient, inventive, and cooperative. The terrifying truth? Toba wasn't the last supervolcano, and it won't be the last. Today, places like Yellowstone in the US, Campi Flegrei in Italy, and Taupo in New Zealand. Scientists monitor them closely. And while eruptions like Toba are rare, they're not impossible. The next one might not just threaten survival, it could change civilization as we know it. If one erupted today in our interconnected world, the effects would be catastrophic beyond imagination. Mount Toba's eruption nearly erased humanity, but it also proved our greatest strength, the will to survive. Toba reminds us of a sobering truth. Nature is powerful and patient. Our planet has ended civilizations before, but we are descendants of survivors, those who faced the darkness and endured. If they made it through the ash, the cold, the silence, so can we, but only if we learn from the signs written in stone, ice, and fire. The question is, are we ready for the next one? You've glimpsed the forgotten secrets of our past, but countless mysteries still await. The echoes of the past still speak, but only to those willing to listen. What we uncovered today is only the beginning. Hit subscribe and join the quest for forbidden knowledge. This is ARCHZ GEOMYSTIC till our next journey.